wake up in the morning, go to work, and come home. I don't feel like doing anything. There are many things that I wanted to say to you. Are we gonna meet again? Probably not. So I'm here in my room, in the dark, sitting and sipping and thinking of you. Myself, holding cigarettes in hand, in the dark, listening to the favorite band. I'm thinking of you, not thinking anything. I grab a gin and have another taste to sip. She said to me, there is nothing I could do. She left my room, then I was standing still. Couldn't say a word to her, couldn't make her stop and hold. I knew she'd never come back, I knew it was the end. Something was wrong, I don't understand what I did. You never explain, never know how much I care. I don't know what to do to make you love me one more time. I will lose my soul if you would choose someone else's love. Give me one more chance, give me one more chance to recover. Can't you hear my soul? My love is floating, searching for you. You make my day, you used to make me feel so alive. You are the sun that lights